everybody, I'd like to show you how to make a delicious spicy vegetable soup with quick ingredients, including a can of store cupboard 3-bean chilli. Dan and I are in beautiful southwest Scotland, staying in a 150-year-old farm labourer's cottage on a country estate. And tomorrow I've got a big birthday, so I want to make a soup for everybody in the evening, those of us who are still there. So we feel nice and warm going into the cold outdoors. I'm pouring a little bit of sunflower oil into a pan over the heat, and when that is heated up, I'm going to add this onion mixture and fry it off without browning it. And then when that's tender, I will add the garlic, and I'll also add a few spices. I'm putting all the diced vegetables, which is carrots, onions and red pepper, in this pan. Give it a good stir, and I'll add a pinch of sea salt. I'm adding garlic. This is our own garlic from our garden. We brought it all the way to Scotland. I'm adding a pinch of chilli flakes and a bit of curry powder and some turmeric. I'll add all this turmeric, there's not much left, and stir everything through well to combine. You can see the onions are beginning to cook and they're becoming translucent, but they're not browning, which is just how we need it to be. I soaked and cooked these yellow split peas, which I often use in dal, and I'm adding these to the pan. They're already nice and tender, so they won't take too much cooking. Stir everything well to combine. I'm adding a little pepper and stir that round. And I'll now add some water to cover, and that will simmer away now for about 15 to 20 minutes. This has been cooking away for about 10 minutes now. It's not ready yet. What I'm going to do is, although I'm going to be adding a can of 3-bean chilli, I'm going to add this vegetable stock cube. This is a yeast-free stock cube, because tomorrow I will be adding some more water to it because it'll be quite thick. This soup is thickening up nicely. It's really more like broth. Think of it as a spicy Scotch broth, but without any meat in. I'm going to add the 3-bean chilli to the pan and stir that through and heat it for a few minutes, and then it will be ready to come off. You're getting all the lovely bits that have stuck to the bottom of the can into the pan of soup. The soup is piping hot now, and I'm just going to have some chef's privileges. So there it is, my spicy vegan Scotch broth. Delicious.